Hey everybody, it's Teresa at Charlotte Sewing Studio, and we'd like to welcome you to our Summer 2025 class preview. We've got some great classes lined up, so why don't you sit back, relax, and enjoy the presentation.
Hey there, a big shout out to all of my sewing and embroidery friends out there. This is Renita coming to you from the Charlotte Sewing Studio, where I'm an employee and an educator. So I've got a couple of nice projects set up for you this coming term, and I hope you're going to come in and share with me to make them. The first one is an oldie but a goodie. This is a beautiful oval log cabin placemat. It's so easy to make, double-sided so you can have reversible. We use a nice craft tex base here that's fusible. And why I'm showing this to you is we have 5 or 6 brand new collections of red, white, and blue fabrics. They're not just stars and stripes. We've got florals, we have plaids, you're just gonna love the selection. So I hope you'll come in and join me for this. This is called the Log Cabin Placemat. Now following along with the red, white, and blue theme, and we're using our cute little mini twister tool, here is the Strip and Twist placemat. And the fun thing about this is I'll show you another one, and you're going to note that I've changed the placement of these different colors. We can also make this a little different where instead of having horizontal stripes, we do vertical stripes. So you look at this one with stars on the top. However, our 3 down here have changed position. Just kind of kicks it up a little bit, so it's not all the same all the time. Now to make your table look beautiful, along with these placemats, I'm going to have you make napkins. Here we took the cute little red, white polka dot with the navy background. Looks very nice with that placemat. Then the other one, we took this funky, squirrely kind of white and blue fabric with the navy on the back. Now, in addition to this project here, which is the placemats and the napkins, there is a strip and twist table runner using the mini twister tool. And unfortunately, I'm not finished making it, so I'm unable to show it to you. But it will be ready in another week or so. So when you come in the shop, you'll be able to decide which project you'd like to do. Now, here we have one that's a little bit of a challenge. This is a by Annie product, and this is called Running with Scissors. You have a nice little handle here. You've got a zipper pocket on the outside, zipper on the inside. You have this beautiful zipper that goes around, and when you open it up, here we have numerous mesh pockets, vinyl pockets, and fabric, and we can fit lots of stuff in here because you have like a pocket right here under the vinyl, then you got a pocket here under the cotton. So you have lots of area. In here we have the fold and stitch tape, which gives you that stretchy so you can hold spools of thread, you can put bobbins. We've got 2 pockets here and a zipper pocket over here. So this is called Running with Scissors tool case. To go along with that, we have the new Take a Stand tote bag. Again, another by Annie product. What's nice about this, it comes in 2 sizes, small and large. This is a small case. And I tried to make it matching my Running with Scissors because you know we like to have matching luggage. Here we have a pocket on the back and one on the front, and a detachable handle. Over here, there's a little extra binding. You could hang keys or clip a name badge, whatever on it. When you open it up, it's a nice wide opening inside, all patterned, and we have 4 mesh pockets, again with fold-over elastic, so you're able to get your hands in there and stuff them with items. But the fun thing is, when you go to retreat or somewhere, and after you're done taking all things out of your tote bag, you take your little Running with Scissors, and it hangs over the side of the bag so you have all your tools are accessible to you right next to your sewing machine. And then the last class I teach, which many of you know, and that's my Create with Renita, and that's on Thursdays from 10 to 1. We make all kinds of stuff there. We've done rope trivets, we've done rope bowls, we've done placemats, table runners, pocketbooks, tote bags, whatever you want to do. I'd like to see you there with something funky new. And remember, we're not just the best fabric shop in the area, because you know we've got tons of fabric. We sell sewing machines, we sell sergers, we sell embroidery machines, and we provide full service and support, and also provide discounts when you purchase with us. So we really appreciate that you support your local studio. Thank you and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi, I'm Barb, and I do our no-sew classes. This summer, we're going to be flamazing. We are going to dress up a flamingo. In fact, we'll probably make a whole flamboyance of flamingos. So feel free to come in and have a blast making your fluffy buddy. You can either do it in poly mesh or you can do it in fabric. And you'll have to take the class to find out which one I like better. So see you on June 7th.
Good morning, my name is Susie McIntyre. I am your certified instructor with QuiltWorks, and I am here to tell you about the projects that will be offered this summer. We're going to start off the season with the watermelon placemats. These are 18 by 13 in size, and you will have two different units to assemble. The floating points here and the rind of the watermelon. If you prefer and you would rather have this as an orange or a lime or a lemon, you can do that very easily just by switching out this fabric. This is also an introduction to applique. These little seeds are appliqued on, and you have a product called Stitch and Peel that comes along with the pattern. So this is the first class. The second class is called Pepper Dish. This is another class that will have applique, and you will see that there are flowers here. There are floating points in the middle, and the outside border has 4 different fabrics on it. This project is 42 inches by 42 inches. It's one that you could actually quilt by yourself on your machine when it's done. If you want it to be larger, you can buy replacement papers, 3 sets, and this pattern, and you'll have it 84 by 84. So there's some options with this if you want it larger. The next project is called Summer Solstice. It's 60 by 60 inches, and this is an introduction to doing the diamonds and using strip piecing for the diamonds. And the diamonds make up the middle, and you have floating points on the side. It's a fun class, and it's something you will see over and over again in Judy Niemeyer patterns. A great one to learn. And if you want a smaller version of this, the other option that will be taught at the same time is called Twinkle Star. And Twinkle Star is the same exact quilt, only a little bit smaller, 42 by 42. So, excuse me, 38 by 38. Sign up for one of these classes. I hope to see you there. And if you're working on any other Judy project that you haven't finished, feel free to sign up for a class, and I'm happy to help you get through anything you have so you don't have any UFOs around the house. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Hi, I am Summer. I'm a new educator here at Charlotte Sewing Studio. I will be teaching a class come Friday, May 16th from 10 to 2. It will be all about freestanding lace. We're going to be doing some earrings. This is a beginner-friendly class. It's going to teach you how to start learning how to embroider. I would love to have you come out. If you'd like to call and sign up, that would be great. We're going to have a lot of fun, and this is a class where you can get creative. Charlotte Sewing Studio thread color combinations are endless. We do carry a large supply of thread, so love to see you. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Sue, instructor and employee here at Charlotte Sewing Studio, and today I'd like to share what I'll be teaching. And of course, we're always going to have every month or every quarter our dazzling designer bags. So if you've missed a class, you can sign up and do any one of these bags or wallet in that class. The next one is a little wristlet that has embroidery on the front, embroidery on the strap. It's got 2 zipper pockets, and it even has card pockets. That's a fun one to make. The next one is another wallet that's all done out of faux leather, and it teaches you a turn lock. When you open it up, it has card pockets, it has an inside zipper pocket, it has a place for your ID, and it has a back zipper pocket. And I'll also be demonstrating edge coat, which is a paint that you put on the edges so you don't see your raw edges. And you can match it with or do a coordinating color on the edge of your wallet to make it more professional. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in class.
Hi everyone, my name is Jill, and I've been here at Charlotte Sewing Studio for 9 years, and I'm also an educator, and I teach a few of the classes. So one of my classes I'm going to be teaching and bringing back is the collage. So we have a collage here. This is the collage of the octopus. You can choose whatever pattern you want to do. I favor the Lori Heine patterns that you can get. You can choose whichever one you want to do. These classes are one a month, every Mondays. Once a month on Mondays, probably the third or the fourth Monday of the month. Okay, so my next class is a new class that we're bringing in. It's got the sea creatures theme going on, and it's called Sea of Love. And this one's right here. It's a mermaid. It's a McKinnon Ryan pattern. I added a little bling to it, so you can add any kind of accessories that you want to hit it off. We have a few girls signed up for this class already, so if you want to come join this class, please do. It's going to be June 6th, and it does come with a fabric kit. So if you are interested in this, you want to get your order in for that fabric kit as soon as possible. Okay, this is a really nice class. It's a one class, 2 sessions. And keeping up with the theme of the sea, I do along the shore patterns. And these patterns, I've done again, you can choose whichever one you want to do, but the feature pattern is going to be sea glass. It's a table runner. I don't know if you can tell it this way or this way, but it's a table runner of sea glass. And it's going to be also in June, so it's one class, 2 sessions, and on June 11th and the 18th. So those are always nice to see. And again, you can do whichever one you want. We have a whole series of these hanging up on the wall, so come on in and see what you'd like to do, and then sign up. The next one, of course, you know that I am the gnome girl, so of course I have to have a gnome in with my class spaces. So this one is called Sew Gnome. Okay, these are hunter designs, and there's quite a few that you can choose from. Again, I don't care which one you do. This is the one I'm featuring tonight, and we do have some more features on our wall. There's holiday ones. There's one that's for reading, for teaching, whatever you want to do. So you can look these up, and as the year progresses, I will have more done on display so you can see which ones you can want to choose. But please come in and see what our shop offers, and come and join our classes. So y'all have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
Hey everybody, it's Teresa again. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. If you'd like to sign up for any of the classes, please give us a call at 941-235-3555. You can also visit our website where you can see a complete listing of all the classes we offer. So come on out, take a nice class, and we hope to see you soon.